So the focus of the discussion for this week is about noise pollution. So let's proceed. Let us first define what is noise. So a sound that which is unwanted and disrupts one's quality of life is known as noise. Normal sound it becomes undesirable when it disturbs our normal activities such as working, sleeping, and during conversation. World Health Organization stated that noise must be recognized as a major threat to human well-being. So, any noise na kakabatian naton, once nag-disturbing na siya kag hindi na siya desirable para sa aton nga normal day-to-day activities that will be considered as noise. So typical noise, I presented here electronic type of noises or classification of noises. We have external and internal noise. So we have atmospheric, extraterrestrial, industrial, and man-made noise. So we will not dig deeper into this. Nga isa-isahon ta pa ang type of noises, kinaklase niyo na ni. So for internal noise, we have thermal noise, shot noise, transit time noise, and miscellaneous ng mga noises. So if you have time, you can review the types of noises para for for additional nga knowledge liwat. So what is noise pollution naman yan? A sound that is unwanted or that disrupts the activity or balance of human or animal life is called as noise. When there is a lot of noise in the environment, then it is termed as noise pollution. So there are main sources of noise pollution. So mga sources ng noise pollution are the following. We have the household sources, social events, commercial and industrial activities, and transportation. So in the household sources category, we have gadgets like food mixer, grinder, vacuum cleaner, washing machine and dryer, cooler, air conditioners can be very noisy and injurious to health. Others include the loudspeakers of sound systems and TVs, iPads, and earphones. So another example may be your neighbor's dog barking all night, every day at every shadow it sees, disturbing everyone else in the apartment. So here are the noises that you could definitely hear through the picture lang. So these are some of the household sources ng mga noises. So another source of noise is the social events such as place of worship, discos and gigs, parties and other social events which create lot of noise for people living in the area. In many market areas, people sell with loud speakers, other shout offers and try to get customers to buy their goods. So this is prevalent kid in our setting. So it is important to note that when these events are not often, they are called nuisance rather than noise pollution. So kung hindi mo gid permi, so they are nuisance and not noise pollution. So pictures of social events. So kalabanan sa aton medyo into social events, into fiestas, into festivals, especially in the Philippine setting. Commercials and industrial activities also contribute to noise. Printing presses, manufacturing industries, construction sites contribute to noise pollution in large cities, especially sa mga urban areas. In many industries, it is a requirement that people always wear earplugs to minimize their exposure to heavy noise, especially if you will be engineering sa the future. So there are various companies na required ng may earplugs ng ilang mga employees, especially kung nag-operate ang industry. People who work with noisy equipment are required to wear noise-proof gadgets. So, bisan sa mga central lang, sugarcane ng mga centrals or sugar centrals. So, kadamo, dara sa mga kung nakita ninyo or kung naka-experience sa kung magadto sa mga sugar centrals, they are using earplugs. So, pictures I presented pictures here sa mga activities nga katabo during or sa aton yung commercial and industrial nga sector. So another source of noise is transportation. Airplanes flying over houses close to busy airports. So damo ni sa mga nagka-complain, especially ang mga panimalay lapit sa mga airports nga do kagahoy dito, no. So that is a part of industrialization, so modernization. So sometimes get evolved kita, we have a lot of transportation and also we are producing a lot of noises. Overground and underground trains, vehicles, and roads, they are constantly making a lot of noises. So take note lang of the noise levels na gina-contribute sa mga nanalisari or different types of vehicles. So what are the effects of noise pollution or noise pollution, maybe for us as humans and for the animals as well? Also, what is the effect of noise pollution on our environment? Okay, for us as a human, noise pollution is the reason for cause of nervous disorder, headache, high blood pressure, and short memory, depression and fatigue, which considerably reduces the efficiency of a person. Also, frustration and difficulty in concentration, disturbance of rest, physical and mental fatigue. So, kung gahod-gahod at isa, especially kayo, bisan sa room nyo lang ganito, no, habang gagahod sa inyo, hindi ko ka-focus, hindi ko katuon mayo. So that is noise pollution. So effects ng noise pollution. Reduce the efficiency, hindi ka makafocus, so hindi ka man efficient. So hindi ka masyado kapag-paminsar. So affected ka tama. Chronic exposure to noise may cause noise-induced hearing loss. So kung ano naging grabe na nga exposure sa noise pollution, so hearing loss. So more effect niya, syempre deafness, annoyed ka, then syempre stress ka man. So for animals, noise pollution damages the nervous system of animals, increase of death by altering the prey predator detection and avoidance. So animal loses the control of its mind. So paris man sa tao, medyo nabudlayan kita mag-control, nabudlayan kita mag-focus sa man ang sa animals. Creates problem in their use of the sound, no reproduction and navigation. So medyo nabudlayan naman sila mag-produce ng sound kay tungod nga hindi na nila mabatian. They become dangerous and attacking. Noise pollution from ship engines and sonar systems make it difficult for marine mammals like whales and dolphins and prevent it from communicating, finding food, and avoiding hazards. So, is-agani mo ng mga reason lang damo sa mga nagkakapatay ng mga marine ng mga animals tungod sa noise pollution yung create ng mga ships and also tungod yung may-ara ng mga nagagamit ng sonars. Excessive noise is the ability to raise an animal's heartbeat speed and even harms an animal's metabolism. So also, cross-spelling pa ko ba? What is the effect of noise pollution on our environment? Noise also has detrimental effects in the growth of some plants. Birds as well rely on hearing to help them find the prey. Hence, they are seriously disadvantaged by noise. So, medyo kakaapektuhan man ang mga sapat kids sang noise nga ilang kakabatian because the noise is breaking the earth's barrier and they could lead to disruption of the world in about 2 to 3 years. Noise pollution, barrier. Noise pollution causes poor quality of crops in pleasant atmosphere. Poor quality of crops. So there are a lot of effects noise sa tao, sa sapat, sa environment. But how could this be prevented in our own little ways? So, we have mga gagmay mga steps na pwede natin himuon. Do not use car horns unnecessarily. Areas like hospitals and campuses are silent zones and horning is prohibited there. So, simple lang ang mga lubrahon to prevent noise pollution. Motors, machines, and vehicles also produce loud noises when not maintained properly. Proper maintenance should be carried out for better performance. So, kay kung wala gyud natin luan, wala gyud na-maintain masyado ang atong mga gamit, ang atong mga machines, ang atong mga salakyan, nagaproduce siya more nga noise. Turning off the engine of car or motorbike when you are not using it. It stops the annoying hum and reduces air pollution also. So, kung wala naman ang ginagamit, turn off na lang. If you are working in the area where there are loud noises, you must wear earplugs to prevent loss of hearing. So, amo na siya gina-mention natin kanina. So, aring mga simple nga pwede natin himuon. Imbis ka magamit ka sa rake for leaves, imbis ka magamit ka sa mga blower na walang tamaan kagahon, rake na lang gamitin natin for leaves. Next, trim bushes or shrub by hand. Do not use bush trimmer. So, may harap gid na sa mga ginagamit sa lang mga machines na daan, pang trim na wala. So, kung pwede, mo lang kamutong para hindi ka makaproduce noise pollution, pwede gid. So, don't blast music on the radio or computers or speakers. So, especially ba sa mga millennials, subong more on into music into movies. So, pero kung mag-sound kita sa music, medyo hinahinayan lang. Hindi pagpatutuluhan because that contributes a lot and noise pollution. Ay, nakita ko ni siyang suggestion but I don't know how. Train your dog not to bark so much. Wala ako kabalo kung paano himuon. Do noisy things over on a rubber mat or reduce noise. So, sa rubber mat kung nagamiton or ang gamiton naton especially if sa mga dishes, mga dapat mabutang gikira do insulator para hindi wala para mas less ang ma-produce nga. So, that's it for this week. Simple lang ato nga klase about noise pollution. So, next week will be about thermal pollution and more of the pollution nga topic. So, thank you everyone. Stay safe and God bless.